The clip without a Type-C port is on the left. Align the left side of the S2 Snow Leopard main unit with the clip slot. The clip with a Type-C port is on the right. Align the Type-C port on the right side of the main unit with the clip. After installing the main unit and the clip, secure the clip to the helmet strap. Install the side with buttons on the right. Once the top and bottom are installed, tighten the straps to secure them in place. Secure the clip to the left strap in the same way. After installing the top and bottom parts, you can tighten the straps to secure them. Fasten the buttons on both sides of the strap for a more secure hold. Then, clip the antenna into the goggle retainer. Install the hard microphone into a device with buttons. The installation is now complete.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.